HMD Global, the company that owns the right to manufacture and sell Nokia branded handsets globally of course, has scheduled an event to be held on the 4th of October in London. At the event, the company is expected to launch its next smartphone. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The event is set to kickstart at 5 PM local time, that is Greenwich Mean Time or GMT, and that is 9:30 PM Indian Standard Time or IST. As per the rumors, the firm is expected to launch the Nokia 7.1 Plus. It is also likely that Nokia may unveil the next flagship smartphone, the Nokia 9. But a recent report has claimed that it has been rescheduled to MWC 2019. Well, what actually happens is to be seen on the 4th. As per the alleged report by MySmartPrice, the press renders of the Nokia 7.1 Plus show that the device will sport a notch on top of the display, and also because both the recently launched Nokia 6.1 Plus and Nokia 5.1 Plus feature a notch. The images also show the presence of a dual rear camera setup placed vertically in the center, and it looks a hell lot similar to the Nokia 6.1 Plus. And as per the leaks, the Nokia 7.1 Plus is supposed to feature a Full HD Plus, that is 1080x2280 pixel resolution with an effective aspect ratio of 19:9, and is to be powered by Qualcomm's upper mid-ranged Snapdragon 710 processor, which we also find on the Mi 8 SE, paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. So don't expect the price to be too low, as it would be upper mid-ranged. The device will be powered by the Android One platform, although we don't believe it is going to provide too much of an advantage, as Nokia is well known to update its devices quite smartly and quickly as well, and even at times before Google can push theirs. So this won't be anything to be too excited about, and the rest of the information is to be received on the 4th of October. So that was it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.